back to my channel. I hope you guys have seen my last video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the helmet which I bought just now. And before buying this helmet, I had another option to buy, which I suggested my friend to buy, and he bought it, which is MT Stinger. This also come around 5,000 rupees price range. It is 5,300, I guess, and this is also a pretty good helmet. You can see the cushioning and all. It is really good, and it has all the standards, DOT and ECE. So basically, it doesn't come with the ISI standards, but still fine. But at that time when I suggested this helmet to my friend, I did not know that this helmet exists, and now I got to know this helmet exists. So I went for this than this, but this is also a pretty good helmet. You guys can go for this. So let's come back to my new helmet. So let's get started with the unboxing process. So this is the packaging of this box. You can see the X logo here, the brand logo, and the brand name here. Even the quality of the cover which they provide is really good. And even inside it has a kind of a microfabric thing, so it will prevent the scratches. With most of the helmets you don't get this. Okay, let's talk about the box contents, and later we'll come to the helmet itself. Brand sticker, some reflectives, and the caution of blood group and all. And this is a chin curtain cap, I guess. I don't know, I need to figure out this. And so this is how it looks. Some pro tips while buying the helmet. It should be a snug fit when you buy the helmet. And if you put the fingers here, it should not go inside. So basically it should be a snug fit. And this is a raised spoiler which you'll get in the box. It's optional. If you want, you can put it, or else you can leave it. But what I think is it looks better when you put it on. Just put it on. That's a click. So this is the final product, and you can see there is a 3D kind of brand logo here, which is kind of chrome finish. It's plastic. I guess it's plastic. Yes, it's plastic. And talking about the features of this helmet, you can see the cushion of it. It's very thick, and it's dual layered actually. You can see that from here. It's a dual layered one, and it comes with a multi-layer EPS foam inside, which is thermocol kind of material, and D-rings, double D-rings. And it has a good chin curtain to prevent the dust and noise inside the helmet. And talking about vents, it has one inlet vent in the front and two inlet vents at the top, and finally one at the back, which is the outlet vent. So these are the features which this helmet provides. One is aerodynamics, about the spoiler I just talked. Next is Fabricada ABS, which is about the shell construction of this helmet. Third one is anti-scratch visor style, and it is Bluetooth ready, double D-rings, those basic things. Almost all the inner layers of this helmet can be removed and washed. And you can see the price. Price is 4994. I got it for 4,700. One more major feature of this helmet is the pin lock ready. Most of the helmets get the pin lock ready like this. Like this, these holes, basically these holes are called pin lock ready, they call it. But one advantage with this helmet is you'll get the pin lock insert with the helmet, which is an anti-fog pin lock. So basically it will prevent the fogging up of a visor from your breath or from the outside climate. So the basic technology behind it is there are two layers of plastic here. So there will be a kind of gas inside it. So it will prevent the fog. That's one. And one more thing is the dual visor. It has dual visor. This second one is smoked so that you can ride it in a sunny day. And it has a easy removable mechanism. Just pull this button down and remove the visor. And one more thing is it has an auto shut. So if you take it to some point, it will automatically set down properly. So there is no button or something to remove it. So you can just put a little bit of more force and just lift it up. That's it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. And I really love the support which you guys are showing to my channel, and I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.